numerical of your textbook, textual exercise 1.1, first numerical of your textbook. From the exercise, it is given that there are two charges q1 and q2 of magnitudes 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. They are apart from each other at 30 centimeter. So before going to calculate, because q1 is given, q2 is given, we have to convert the centimeter into the meter. For that we will divide 30 by 100 and we will get into the meter, because meter is the SI unit. Because in numericals you have to especially you have to take care of the units of the SI units of the physical quantities, otherwise your answer will wrong. So this is the, according to Coulomb's law, the force between these two charges q1 and q2 can be calculated by using Coulomb's law. When we put the value of k, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, and this is 2 into 10 raised to power, when we put and make the required calculation, we will be getting 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton. This is the answer of your problem. Lastly, we are going to talk about the limitations of the Coulomb's law. Why the limitations of the Coulomb's law is important? Because Coulomb says that under some certain conditions only we can calculate the force under some conditions, or you can say the limitations. So Coulomb says that charges between the charges should be point charges. Charges should be point charges. There should not be the huge charges, because Coulomb's law is only applicable when the charges are point charges. Second one, there it is the condition or limitation also. Second limitation is very important, that charge should not be in motion, it should be at rest. Third one, which is important to know, that the distance, how much should be the distance up to which the Coulomb's law can be applicable. So it is given that it should be greater than 10 raised to power minus 15 meter and less than to the 10 raised to power 18 meter. As you all know, this is the nuclear distance, radius of the nucleus. Then the distance between two charges much higher than the radius of the nucleus to the 10 raised to power 18 meter. In these conditions only we can apply the Coulomb's law, because Coulomb's law cannot be applied everywhere. It has some certain limitations, and that we have discussed already. We have discussed that the Coulomb's force can be of two types based on the nature of the charges. If both the charges are of same nature, it will be of repulsive type, and both the charges are of opposite nature, means plus or minus or positive or negative, then it will be of attractive type. So finally, in the recent problem which we have observed that as if your answer comes out to be with the positive sign, then the force will be of repulsive. So this is the repulsive nature force. We have to mention